Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your Instagram name before the 14 days waiting period is over. So a bunch of you have probably tried it through the conventional method, and how you do it the conventional method is by clicking at the bottom right hand corner to get to your profile right here, then click edit profile, then change your name within here by clicking it or whatever, then clicking done. But then some of you, it will say that you can't change name within the 14 days waiting period, because the actual Instagram rules is you can't change name multiple times within that 14 days period. So you've probably seen a bunch of other how-to videos just showing this method, then say it's working or whatever. Obviously it's not helping for you because you can't do it. And as well, you probably got pranked by that whole TikTok thing that made you change your name. So that's not going to be helpful, all these other methods doing this. But there is kind of an unconventional method of doing it, and I'm going to show you how to do that within this video. That could potentially work. I'm not going to say it's 100% going to work. There's a potential. So what you're going to want to do is click on the bottom right hand corner again to get to your profile. Click the top right there where the three little lines are. Same thing on your computer as well, whether you're an Android, iPhone, or on your computer. Then go to settings, and then you're going to want to click help, and then you're going to want to click report a problem, then click something isn't working. So this right here is going to be like a message sent to a real Instagram support person. So they're going to be there. So if you tell them the situation, I got pranked by a TikTok video, they made me change my name, can I please change it back because you might potentially have an embarrassing or rude name, whatever like that. So it's a potential that this real person will actually accept it, then change it back, because if you explain the situation or whatever. But this isn't going to be 100% accurate. Potentially it might, they might not accept it, but it's actually a possibility. The only possibility on YouTube you're probably going to see of this actually happening. So go ahead and send the message, and I'm pretty sure they will get back to you before that 14 days period. Probably should only get back to you maybe potentially in a few days. That's what my guess is for that. So hopefully this will work for you. Go out and try this. Let me know in the comment section below if it works for you or not, and how long it took if you do go out and try this. Leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and try this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Instagram app. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.